meteor crater. The most well-preserved meteor crater on the globe.
Yep.
And she loves it.
Yep. I love it so much.
Okay, hold it.
No. No, my hands are sweaty. Step, step, step.
Should I hold it like this?
Look at all these rocks. This is so cool. Like they all just like came out and plopped down. Went into the air
Yeah,
and then plopped down.
True. Ava, don't fall in.
It's pretty crazy that something from space did this. It's nuts.
Insane.
Ooh,
And it traveled at 26,000 miles per hour. And if you're thinking how fast that is, well, if you travel from LA to New York
on a plane.
on a plane at 26,000 miles an hour, you get there in 5 minutes. Peace out.
And then we'll go around to the museum.